Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be looking at the brand new, the next generation, the Compass, the Jeep Compass 2021. Yes, it's going to be launched on the 7th on Jan. That's going to be the media launching, and on the 8th to the 10th we are going to get to see it in the showrooms. Guys, we are also going to be capturing the Jeep Compass, making a proper video with the Jeep Compass at the showroom on the 8th of Jan. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions which are not already answered in this video, make sure to contact the number below. You can contact Mr. Abhishek Pawar. He's a senior sales consultant at Jeep Landmark Andheri. You can get a hold of him and ask him any questions, and you can also pre-book your Jeep Compass 2021. So guys, watch this video till the end. I hope you enjoy it, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And also guys, if you have any question which you want a immediate response to, make sure to DM us on Instagram. We'll get back to you much quicker. Anyway, let's get started with the video. First, let's start with the exterior, then we'll go on to the specifications of the engines that are available with this car and the gearbox, and then we'll get on to the interiors where a lot of change has taken place and there's a lot to talk about. So let's start with the exterior. From the front, we get to see a completely redesigned face. The entire Jeep Compass face has been completely redesigned, and we get to see a massive 7-slot grille as compared to the previous generation. This 7-slot grille is now integrated in a different design. With the headlamps, the daylight running LEDs have been changed, and you get new projector headlamps as well. The entire front bumper has been changed as well in the new Jeep Compass. Now with regards to the dimension of the car, not much has changed from the previous generation, but we again get to see new designs with the front and the rear bumper, and the front and the rear skid plates have also been redesigned. We also get to see a shark fin antenna and a panoramic sunroof. Now the wheels, you will get a completely new design alloy rims on the car, which will be available with the 18-inch on the top model, and on the lower models in the base variant you'll get a 17-inch rims. Now, having spoken about the exterior, let's quickly go to the engine specifications. Now this car is going to be available with two engine options, obviously the petrol and the diesel. The petrol being a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine that produces 161 brake horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque. That's going to be available with the 7-speed DCT transmission, and we have the next one, which is the 2 liter turbocharged engine that's going to produce 171 brake horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque, and that's going to be available with a 9-speed torque converter gearbox. Now both the engine options are also available as standard with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Now having spoken about the engine, let's quickly shift on to the interiors. Now guys, coming to the interior, a lot has changed. There's been a massive change when it comes to the interior, and you can see that in the dashboard, in the steering wheel, a lot has changed. Let's talk about each and every one of them. The steering wheel is completely redesigned, a 3-spoke leather wrap steering wheel with multifunctions and tilt and telescope controls. Sitting behind the steering wheel is a beautifully integrated 7-inch MID, which you can customize as and how you desire. Next, we have the highlight, which is the 10.8-inch infotainment system. This is a floating infotainment system, completely redesigned, and it is available with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard. In the lower segments, you will get to see an 8-inch infotainment system, but in this top variant, you will get to see the 10.8-inch. That's a massive infotainment system, and I love how it is positioned so that your peripheral vision is always focused on the road even when you're fiddling with the infotainment system. This Ultra HD infotainment system will be extremely responsive and has safety features integrated within it, and will come with a Uconnect 5 compatibility. Now, having seen the complete dash beautifully designed in this new 2021 Jeep Compass, we see a lot of leather trim on the dashboard as well as on the door panels, and you'll get a variety of leather trims and colors for your interiors. Other features that are available inside the car is a large panoramic sun and moon roof with heated and ventilated seats, multifunction tilt and telescopic steering wheel, automatic climate control, keyless entry, push button start. You'll get electronic seats for the driver's side with height adjustability. You'll get air purifier and an 8-speaker system integrated with the car. Coming quickly to the safety features, we have all 4 tires disc brakes, all 4 tires ABS and EBD. We have the electronic stability program. We have cruise control. We have clash detection. We have lane tracker as well in this car. This car also comes with a 360 camera that will help you park into tight spots, and is going to be made of high strength steel. And it also comes with a tire pressure monitor. These are all the features when it comes to safety. Now guys, I hope I was able to cover quite a lot of points with regards to the 2021 Jeep Compass. Super excited, and we are going to be covering this car on the channel We're going to be one of the first few media channels to cover this car on the 8th of Jan. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have any queries regarding this car, you have two options. You can either contact Mr. Abhishek Pawar. In the comment section will be his details. He is a senior sales consultant at Jeep Landmark. He will help you with whatever information you require, and you can pre-book your Jeep Compass 2021 and get a super sweet deal. The other option is you can follow us and DM us on Instagram. We'll make sure to respond to you much quicker than on YouTube comments. Anyway guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you all did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, happy motoring, stay safe, cheers.